today I'm going to be sharing with you guys our empty house tour. So if you are interested, come on in. This is our living room here. It has a really nice stone fireplace over here with this mantle that came with the house that is wooden. So it has like this automatic rustic touch to it. And this is going to be really fun to decorate during the holidays and everything. One thing we really love about this house are the, craftsman touches and stuff, like the archways. And instead of the walls being like pointy and stuff, they're more curved. So if you look at that, the walls are curved and we have tall archways.
What you doing?
Okay, so here is our little linen closet that is beside our, I guess this is a guest bathroom. So it's linen closet. Okay, so this is like the guest bathroom. So it carries on with the white cabinets, the granite countertops. And it's just a simple bathroom, sink, toilet, shower. So this is our guest bedroom. And we're kind of, because we don't have kids yet, we don't plan on having any anytime soon. So we still want to have this as a functional room, even when we don't have guests and since we don't have children yet. So we're kind of trying to figure out how we want to utilize this space so it's not just sitting and we're actually using it. So this room is probably the same size as Adrian's office, but it seems like it might be a little bit smaller. So I really could put my wigs in this closet, but it's just too far. It's just too far to me. But we can use this for extra storage, but I really don't want to have any like catch-all rooms in the house. I want everything to be utilized. So that's this space. Here is a coat closet. We just have like an extra air filter in there right now, and that's it. So that's just a coat closet. Our laundry room. We are about to go check out some washers and dryers and stuff so we can actually wash some clothes and everything. But this is a pretty, standard, nice size laundry room. Okay, so here's Adrian's office. It has a lot less echo because it's smaller and it does have carpet in here. So he is planning to have his desk and everything on this wall. And I think we're actually gonna be painting this like a dark kind of charcoal on this wall and have all of his, design stuff on this wall.
Dark blue, baby. Dark blue.
Oh, you're doing dark blue?
No.
Oh, my bad.
It's alright.
Okay, and then on this wall, I think he's gonna have his TV and the, TV console right there, and probably a plant and a chair. He has a closet here that he can use for something. I don't know, what are you gonna put in here?
Wigs.
I wish I had a wig closet because in my office I don't have any storage, so I'm gonna have to buy my storage. All right, so now we're gonna go into the kitchen, so let's check it out. So this kitchen came with appliances already because it was a model home to begin with. So we already have our refrigerator, we have our dishwasher here, and then our stove came with the house. So we really love how bright this kitchen looks because it's white overall with the cabinets and everything. I don't know if we're gonna get handles for the cabinets. I mean, that's what we're used to. I'm not sure if we're gonna do that, but they didn't come with that. But a lot of people say it's really easy to install, handles and stuff. So we have granite countertops. And as far as like the backsplash, we have this decorative backsplash behind the stove here with some light gray subway tile. And then it's outlined with white subway tile here. Okay, so we have additional storage down below, of course, underneath the sink here. And then we have these horizontal drawers down here. And we also have a Lazy Susan, which is gonna definitely come in handy. I think this is super cool. So we have this little, I guess this is our island. We don't have like a separate island, it's kind of like an L shape. So we're gonna get some counter height bar stools to, you know, make it so people can sit over here. And this is our dining area. And I was thinking about having like having a dining table that's more modern, kind of like from West Elm. I like that look. And maybe have one of those consoles back here. I don't know what they're called, but like a buffet console. I think that's what it's called. I don't know if this light here is our aesthetic. I feel like this is gonna be changed out eventually, but for now it's fine. But I think this is a really nice dining area. Okay, so now we're gonna go into our master bedroom, so let's go and check it out. This is our master bedroom here. We have a fan in here, and we have tray ceiling. As far as decor goes, I have used the app called Modsy, and I'm probably going to show you guys that in future videos when we start to do like decoration vlogs and stuff like that. So I'll just talk to you guys about that later. So I think this is a pretty good size. It's not insanely huge, but it's not small either. A lot of really good natural light because we do have 2 windows here. And here is our closet. Here's our closet here. I remember when we first went to come look at this house, we were like, oh my gosh. I think this closet is really big, especially compared to the closet that we have in our apartment. So it seems like this closet is gonna fit all of our clothes easily, and then we'll still have room left over. And then we have this wall here to where we could put more storage. So I think this is a really good size master closet. Cool. All right, so we're gonna go, this is our master bathroom here. Then there is our tub here, which is very deep. These lights up here, these vanity lights, they are cool. They're like a standard thing, but I do feel like I want the decor to be a bit more modern than this. So I think eventually I will change those out to something more modern. Here's our shower. I think it's really, really cute. Well, I don't know if cute's the word, but it's very cozy. So we usually have a lot of like conditioners and shampoos and beard products and stuff. So I'm probably gonna get some of those shower caddies that you can find at IKEA that stick to the wall. So this is really, really nice. Shout out to my cameraman. Adrian's helping me.
Yeah, booty.
So here is my office here. I already have like an idea of how I want it laid out because I did use Modsy for this room. I'm gonna probably have a desk back here by the window. So when I am doing videos and stuff, I can use natural light because natural light is really flattering every time I record in natural light. But I do feel like I need a fan up here because you guys know heat rises and it is pretty hot in here, and it's just February. So I think I want to get a fan so I'm not burning up. But this is a very big room, and I even have enough space to have like a conversation area. So I'm super excited about decorating in here. I'm running out of breath.
You ain't talking all the time.
I know. So the only downside about this room is that it doesn't have a closet, so it's not like an actual room. So I have to be, you know, a little bit more creative with how I store things, especially my wigs. So I think I'm gonna I was watching Miss Naturally Mary's channel, and she used the IKEA Calyx system, and she used like these storage bags that she found on Instagram, not Instagram, but Amazon. And that's how she stores her wigs. I think I'm gonna do that, and then probably have 1 or 2 mannequin heads to display some of my wigs, but that's about it. So I'm really excited about decorating in here. That's probably gonna be one of the first things that I do, but we'll see. All right guys, so that was our empty house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave me a comment down below and make sure you are subscribed to my channel and your notifications are on so you'll be, you know, notified every time that I do other videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.